Sælir blikar nær og fjær, á röfti með heisa í dag hef ég fengið viðtal við hinn geðþekka René Troost sem kom til okkar í fyrra frá Hollandi og aftur komin til okkar. René, how is it with jou?
Met mij gaat het goed. Met
Ja?
jou ook?
Ja, waar kom je vandaan in Nederland?
Ik ben geboren in Amsterdam.
Ja,
I'm born in Amsterdam.
ja.
And now I live in a small place close to Amsterdam called Almere.
Almere?
Ja.
Okay.
It's just 15 minutes drive to Amsterdam from my town.
What are your thoughts about the Breiðablik defense this season compared to the last season?
I think we have the same players as last season in the defense. So I think it's almost the same as last year. But the guys are 1 year older. I'm 1 year older. More experience, of course, because of last season. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a good season.
Breiðablik is of course going for the title this year. But do you think Breiðablik has a better chance of winning the title now compared to last season?
Yes, I think so, because we have also like a lot of new players, and the new players are most of all are like offensive players. So we didn't score so many goals last season, so I hope we score more goals this season, and I hope we go higher in the table.
Okay. What do you think about the new players we bring to the squad, like Ellie, Guðjón, Gulli, and of course Nicky?
Yeah, there are 4 new players. I think the 3 of them are like forward players, what I said before, and all 3 they can score a goal. And the goalkeeper is a national player from the national team, so he has a lot of experience. So that's good for the young team. So I think it's good to have these 4 players with us.
Yeah, okay. What teams do you think will be Breiðablik main title competitors, and what do you consider the main strength?
I think Kauer and FH,
Yeah.
because they're like also 2 big teams in Iceland, and I think they have both a good forward players in the team, so that's dangerous for every team in the competition, I think.
Okay. From your time playing for Breiðablik, has it been a funny moment? Do you remember
There are like a
funny
lot of funny moments, but the best moment for me last year was we finished at 2nd place, of course. And that's a nice moment in my career, and I think also for the guys in the team.
René Troost, thank you for listening.
Dankjewel.
It was nice.